Hey everybody, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what? It's a brand new year with the new Sew Sampler by Fat Quarter Shop, January 2025. Find out why there are new possibilities in this box. Welcome back! I'm so grateful you decided to join me for this unboxing of the January 2025 Sew Sampler box by the Fat Quarter Shop. But before we get started, let's talk about some things that just happened recently. I just posted a video of the 24 boxes in 2 years fan favorites, and you have to check it out. We had some great things that we got to choose out of those 24 boxes, and they were all done by you in the comments. Please make sure you check that video out. It'll be in the links below, and it will be linked at the end of this video. Also, I am so excited that we are continuing to grow this channel. Remember, share this content, let people know the Quilting Camper is a thing, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps me gauge how much content to create for all of you, because I love it when you engage me. That is what makes this community so exciting, and it is so much fun to make videos like this. I also will be filming the Cupid Box, which is coming shortly. I just got my confirmation from Fat Quarter Shop that it's being sent out, so shortly after this video, you can find that one as well. I'm also working on a few projects too. Do you remember from that one unboxing when we got the June Taylor 14-inch project bag? Well, I have it all ready to go. I have my substrate with the printed pattern to do the Quilt As You Go product here. And I just recently starched all the fat quarters that I'm going to use in that project. Now, some of you know I don't use traditional starch. I use this product by Flatter. This is one of my favorite products. I use it for making Dresdens or whenever I have to cut on the bias. But I really wanted to flatten this fabric out for this Quilt As You Go just to make the seams look a lot cleaner. I'm really excited about it. I'm working on a project, trying to get some stuff done, and you'll see some video shorts about that shortly. So you guys, don't forget about my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center. If you are looking to purchase a new Bernina or a Burnett sewing machine, or if you're looking for a well-loved machine, they're a really great resource here in the Milwaukee metropolitan area. My dear friend Rosemary, who's owner of that shop, has great taste in some very unique fabrics you won't find anywhere else but in that shop. Also some wonderful buttons, Sue Spargo, wool work, embroidery threads, pre-cuts, lots of awesome notions, AccuQuilt, you name it, they have it. They also specialize in Bernina long arms. If you're looking for classes, they have a really cool calendar of events. Make sure you check it out on their website. Okay, you guys, let's dive into the unboxing. What do you think? What makes this box really awesome? There are 2 possibilities in this box, and it's so cool. I can't believe it. Fat Quarter Shop has never offered this to us before, and I love new beginnings. So happy 2025, January. Embracing new possibilities. What did I tell ya? There's something really cool in here. So there are some coupons on the underside. I can't show them to you because they're exclusive for people that subscribe to this box, but it's 15% off all charm packs. That's amazing. And there's also an extra quilt in here that you can get free once you have this box. It's really awesome. Not only do you have patterns in this box, but you have an optional pattern for a quilt that's available to you as well. And really quick, you guys, I pay for all of my Sew Sampler boxes from the Fat Quarter Shop. I am not sponsored or affiliated with them in any sort of way. I do this on my own volition. It is very fun to get these boxes every month and share them with you. Let's do the first item. Oh my gosh, it's a spool of thread, and it's a big spool of thread. Holy cow. Born in the Netherlands, Scanfil organic thread is spinning its way into sewing rooms, stitch by stitch. Boasting the Global Organic Textile Standard GOTS and OEKI-TEX, certified for Standard 100, Scanfil threads are crafted from the finest Supima organic cotton grown in the U.S., totally free of pesticides and chemicals. Preferred by paper pieces for English paper piecing, it's a low lint, silky smooth, super strong, and perfect for both machine and hand sewing. Love that. It's good for both. And this organic thread retails for $8.48. So the next item in this box are some needles. And it's a bonus, valued at $4.98. They're John James Golden Glide Milliners straw needle size 10. It's always good to get needles for hand sewing in a box. So you guys, the next item in this box is a first time for Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler. At least first time for me since 2019 when I signed up with these boxes. You guys don't correct me, put a comment below if they've done it before, but I've never seen them do English paper piecing inside a Sew Sampler box. It's always nice to try something new that we may have never tried before. And some of you, if you have done English paper piecing, please put comments below. I'd love to know about it. Hot Cross Buns English Paper Piecing Pack by Paper Pieces, a Sew Sampler exclusive. This is an all-in-one paper piece pack you'll need to whip up the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner by Paper Pieces, complete with the precise instructions for cutting, basting, and sewing with paper pieces. It's the ultimate portable project. Grab the pieces, pack, pattern, fabric, needle, and thread, and you'll be good to go. Valued at $8.98. This is exciting. I've actually never tried English paper piecing. I have a dear friend at work, Natalie, if you're watching. Hi, Natalie. She does English paper piecing and she does it well and she brings it to work. It's because it's a great thing to work on when you have some downtime and it's super relaxing. So I'm just excited. They offered a different journey in this box. And we can't forget the Peaceful Baskets quilt along. This is block number 10. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on this Peaceful Basket quilt. The sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Basket block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. These patterns are worth $4.98, and like they say, you can purchase them on their website as well. Now remember at the beginning of this video, I said there's new possibilities in this box? Well, this is the first time that Fat Quarter Shop has ever included 2 exclusive patterns in one box, but it's kind of like 2 different journeys. We got English paper piecing here, and we have traditional machine sewing quilt pattern here. So with whatever pattern you decide to choose, you can use it with the fabric in the box. It is genius. If you want to try English paper piecing, or if you want to do a traditional sewing machine quilt, this is your choice. It's really awesome, and I love that Fat Quarter Shop decided to do something new and innovate. That's what I love about this box, you guys. We will start with the Fresh Start quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Kick off the new year with a fresh start. This 9-patch quilt design is a breath of fresh air, quick and easy with a twist that adds a touch of elegance and energy. You're all set with some 5-inch squares and background fabric. It's perfect for using up scraps. But why not dive into the charm packs from this month's box? There's a little hint there. Give this quilt your sewing year a fresh start. Limited finishing kits available from the Fat Quarter Shop. This is a very, very cute pattern. I absolutely love it. This pattern is valued at $9.98. And if you guys didn't know already, the patterns that are in these boxes, other than the quilt-alongs, are exclusive just to Sew Sampler boxes. You're not able to purchase those patterns anywhere else on their website. The second pattern in here is the English paper piecing pattern. Hot Cross Buns Table Runner pattern by Paper Pieces. If you've been wondering about English paper piecing, here's the perfect starter. Paper Pieces, the go-to for English paper piecing patterns, tools, and goodies. Brings you the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner, a beginner-friendly English paper piecing project. Watch their included learn and English paper piecing videos and follow the pattern to mix up a stunning ombre table runner using the charm packs in this box. You'll be stitching in no time. No sewing machine required. A value of $9.98. Of course, these are the English paper pieces that you're going to use as templates to do this pattern. I love this pattern very much, but I'm not the type of person to do hand sewing. Maybe this would be an opportunity for me. I will have to wait and see. Of course, the piece de resistance of this box is next. Not just one charm pack, not just 2, but 3 charm packs in a box. I can't believe it. The value of these charm packs are $35.94. That costs more than this box. And it's a beautiful pattern from Basic Gray. 3 charm packs from Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. Kick back and soak in the Sunday vibes with Sunday Brunch by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. This collection bursts with vibrant modern hues, blooming florals, and playful geometric design. Sleek, stylish, and oh so delightful. These 3 charm packs of 5-inch squares will whip up more than just a snack-sized project. It's full-on quality feast. I love that. 3 charm packs is enough to make a full-size quilt with some background fabric. It's a really great value to get in this box. It is so cool. It excites me when these boxes are above and beyond what you expect them to be. And like I said, I love that I am not sponsored by Fat Quarter Shop because I'm giving you my true opinion on how much I really enjoy these boxes. This is the whole box, what I paid for. Everything else in here is a bonus. It's such a great value. I can't recommend it more. Weren't those patterns amazing from Basic Gray? Gosh, they're so beautiful. I've had some of my favorite pre-cuts from Basic Gray before, and it's so nice that I have 3 charm packs in this box. So what do you guys think? Is this box opening up new possibilities for you? Well, you already saw me gloat in the previous clip. I can't be more excited about the value of this box. It offers some new horizons to try something different, but it still gives me the comfort of doing a machine quilt with the charm packs that are in here. This box is $83.32 in value. I paid $29 plus tax and shipping. I can't do better than that. This is one of those deals that makes me very excited about subscribing to this box. Well, you guys, I'm very thrilled that you decided to spend time with me once again. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel if you're new. This is the Quilting Camper. That's me. I share things that I love, and that is photography, hiking, camping, quilting, sewing. I do paper crafting. I offer unboxings to shed inspiration and ideas. I just really enjoy exploring the world. I'm a little bit of a curious person, I have to admit. You've noticed some of my video shorts. I take you on my mall walks. I've taken you to an IKEA that is completely empty of any person. That was unusual for a Thursday night. And I also like to take you on tours in fabric shops and other places where I feel it's safe for me to do so. I tend not to do quilt shows because people's quilts are their patterns and I don't want to expose it without their permission on the video, but you'll find those kinds of things on my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. So make sure you check that website out as well. Remember, I want to continue to grow this channel. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you love my content, and also please subscribe. That just helps grow the Quilting Camper. It helps me understand how to engage you more with my content. And of course, leave comments below. What was your favorite item in this box? Did you like having the English paper piecing option as well as the sewing machine option? I'm just really thrilled about this box. And a lot of you have been leaving comments down below in my previous videos that you are just subscribing to Sew Sampler. And you're as excited as I already am. And that is cool, because Sew Sampler and the Fat Quarter Shop, probably one of the most unique curated enterprises I've ever encountered on the web. And I do know for a fact that Fat Quarter Shop is a really good organization. They do very kind things for others. I just love having the opportunity to share some of their products with you. Remember, what we're doing here is sharing kindness. I love you all, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. I have my stabilizer with the printed, what? I have my stabilizer with the Sew Sampler box. And what does it say? I can't read it. Oh my gosh. Embracing new possibilities. Okay, and this organic Fred. Okay, great. We have a new word. This organic Fred. Huh? Fred. You guys, I never know what I'm gonna say until it just comes right out. And the next item in this box are some needles. It won't focus on needles. Oh my goodness. And the next item in this box are some needles. It's a bonus valued at $4.98. John James Golden Glide Milanese, Milliners. Milanese needles. They're milliners. It's always nice to get hand needles. Huh? It's always nice to get We're not even halfway through the box yet. And I swear all I drink is water. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.